Hello students, today we will discuss about homonyms. Okay, first है depart. Depart का go away यानी कि हटना. He is not willing to depart from customs. Okay, next है deport. Deport का क्या होगा? Send out of the country यानी देश से बाहर भेजना. Mr. Natwarlal was imprisoned in England and later deported to India. Next, डिवाइस का प्लान यानी योजना. पाकिस्तान इज इन द नो ऑफ अ न्यूक्लियर डिवाइस. नेक्स्ट है डिवाइज. थिंक आउट खोज करना. दे हैव डिवाइज्ड अ स्कीम फॉर मेकिंग मनी. अगला है डाई. कम टू द एंड ऑफ लाइफ यानी मरना. ही डाइड इन अ ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट लास्ट ईयर. नेक्स्ट डाई. कलर रंगना. हिज वाइट शर्ट वाज डाइड ब्लू. नेक्स्ट डिसेंट यानी डिसएग्रीमेंट असहमति. ही एक्सप्रेस्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट द लास्ट स्पीकर had said. Next descent, coming or going down. Utar, the descent of mountain took 2 hours. अगला है dodge. Change position in order to avoid चकमा देना. He is so clever that he can dodge anyone. Next dodge. Amounts or medicine to be taken at one time. दवा की मात्रा. He dosed himself with quinine. Next doze. Sleep lightly. उगना. She dozed off during the lecture. Next drought. Current of air in room. Drawing of liquid from content and cold. He drank half a pint of beer at a draught. अगला है drought. Wind of rain. सूखा. The government is giving massive aid to the drought affected areas of the country. Next, facility. Aids which make it easy to do things. Suvidha. There are no facilities for study in this college. अगला felicity, pleasing manner of writing or speaking. लिखने बोलने का अच्छा ढंग. Shelley's felicity of expression is remarkable. नेक्स्ट है फेन. willingly इच्छा से. ही वुड फेन हैव स्टडीड एट होम. नेक्स्ट है फेन. प्रिटेंड बहाना करना. हेमलेट फेन हिमसेल्फ मेड. अगला है फेंट. फेंट का है डिम धुंधला. देयर इज अ फेंट होप दैट ही मे बी केयर. नेक्स्ट है फेंट प्रिटेंस शेम अटैक टू डिसीव इन एन ओपोनेंट. बहाना. Hamlet made a feint of turning himself made. अगला है फेयर. प्रोग्रेस मनी चेंज. चार्ज्ड फॉर अ जर्नी यानी उन्नति करना. किराया. हाउ डिड यू फेयर इन द एग्जामिनेशन. अगला है फेयर. जस्ट क्वाइट गुड एवरेज उचित. शी हैज अ फेयर अमाउंट सेंस. नेक्स्ट है farm. area of land for growing crops, raising animals. खेत. he owns a very big farms in Australia. अगला है farm. fawn sheep a cow. Proteus could appear in the form of an creature he wished. next है convolution. coil twist चक्कर. a rain's horn has many convolutions. next convulsion. Violent disturbance भयंकर बाधा. The child's convulsion filled us with fear. अगला है coop. cage for hens confined. मुर्गी खाना फंसना. They were cooped up by the storm. Followed by rain. Next coop. Sudden action to get power to throw a military coup in Tasmania took place 2 weeks ago. अगला है council. Group of persons appointed to give advice. Salahkar Samiti. The meeting of the municipal council will be held tomorrow. अगला है council advice सलाह देना. They did not counsel us to give up the plan. Next crash, violent fall or below दुर्घटना. Mr. Sanjay Gandhi was killed in an aircraft crash. अगला crash too much दबाना. Several people were crushed to death in a stampede. Next current, small sweet dried grape kishmish. The currents are grown in Greece and neighboring countries. अगला है current, stream of water धारा. Cold current of air came in through the window. अगला है daybreak प्रातः. We look forward to dawn of happier days after the war ended. Next down, from a higher to lower level. नीचे. Her hair was hanging down her back. अगला है deadly, dangerous घातक. The 7 deadly sins have been personified by Mandu. अगला death like that of death. Shamshan Shi. A death like silence prevailed in the campus. Next disease diamond. Mother survived all her deceased sons. Next disease, illness, बीमारी, cold and cough are common disease. Next decree, order given by a ruler or राजा के. The magistrate issued a decree of divorce to Mr. and Mrs. Sani. Next degree, rank or grade or unit of measurement for temperature. उपाधि मात्रा. His work had reached a high degree of excellence. अगला deer, a quick running animal. Heron. The deer saw its reflection in water and was pleased. अगला dear, lovable, प्रिय. He lost everything that was dear to him. अगला है behave, act, व्यवहार करना. The troops behaved gallantly under fire. Next, behave, we write शोभा देना. It does not behave you to talk like that. Next, below, under नीचे. The temperature was 5 degrees below the freezing point. अगला है bellow, roar. धारणा. He bellowed before the dentist has started pulling to his aching tooth. Next, below, roll like waves, लहर लेना. The flame lord over the stack of dry grass. Next, bent inclination, इरादा झुकाव. She has a bent for painting. अगला vent, outlet, निर्गम. He gave vent to his feelings in his impassioned speech. अगला है boar, male pig. We met a horde of wolves on the outskirts of the forest. Next, boar, make a hole, छेद करना. Some animals bore their way under the ground. Next card, a piece of stiff paper card. He lost his visiting card. Next code, a twisted thread part of body. रस्सी का एक अंग. His vocal cords are not functioning properly. Next chord, a straight line, सीधी रेखा या हड्डी. His spinal cord for puncture twist. अगला है cell, a small room, a unit of living matter. छोटा कमरा, जीवित पदार्थ की इकाई. Pus cells were found present in his urine. Next cell, disposed of Vijna. He sold his house for ₹50,000. Next shell, hard outer cover, ऊपर ढांचा. Crabs and turtles are gifted with hard shells. Next side, quote from a book, उदाहरण देना. He cited many examples in support of his arguments. Site location, स्थिति. His factory is being built on the site of old fort. नेक्स्ट कमांड ऑर्डर आ गया, द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप कमांड्स द ऑफिसर्स आर मैन। अगला है कमेंट, प्लीज प्रशंसा करना, हिज वर्क वॉज हाईली कमेंड। अगला है कंप्लेसेंट, सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड, आत्मसंतुष्ट। द लेडी वॉकड अवे विद हर हस्बैंड विद अ कम्प्लेस्ड स्माइल। अगला है कंप्लेजेंट, इजी गोइंग ऑफ लाइकिंग, व्यवहार क्वेश्चन। मिसेज मोट्रीम इज होमली एंड कंप्लेजेंट लेडी। नेक्स्ट है एनोनिमस, विदाउट अ नेम, अनाम, ही रिसीव्ड एन एनोनिमस गिफ्ट। अगला है एनोमेलियस, इरेगुलर, बेतरतीब, मस्ट इज एन एनोमेलियस वर्ब। अगला है अपोजिट, सुटेबल फॉर द पर्पज, काम हो गए, ही मेड रिमार्क्स अपोजिट टू द केस। नेक्स्ट अपोजिट, फ्रंट ऑफ टू फ्रंट, विरुद्ध, आवर लाइब्रेरी इज ऑन द अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द रोड। अगला है ऐसे, टेस्ट, प्रयत्न, ही मेड एन ऐसे ऑफ एन ईयर। नेक्स्ट है ऐसे, पीस ऑफ राइटिंग निबंध, ही राइट्स ऑन ऐसे इन अ वीक। अगला है बैंक, ग्राउंड नियर अ रिवर, किनारा, रिवर फ्लो बिटवीन इट्स बैंक्स। नेक्स्ट वंक, स्लीपिंग वर्थ इन अ शिप, सी, सोने की सीट, देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ वंक्स इन अ शिप फॉर द पैसेंजर्स। अगला है बीच, शोर, किनारा, द इन्वेडिंग आर्मी रीच्ड द बेच एंड रेस्टेड देयर फॉर सम आवर्स। नेक्स्ट बीच, अ ट्री विद स्मूथ bark, छाल, which nuts were collected from the ground।